Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Yes, welcome back. Welcome back. If you all are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Quamikab, and today, I have a special guest, and you are
Quamisha,
my twin sister, Quamisha B. Y'all catch that? Quamikab B, Quamisha B.
Okay.
Anyway, today we got a rather fun but short video for you guys. Today we are going to be doing wine tasting, but she has come up with a name. What is the name of the video?
Wine Down With Us.
So you all are going to wine down with us. We know that the Rona is out and about, okay? But we are chillaxing at home and we decided to come and do this fun, short, but quick video for you guys. And we are going to jump right into the video. But before we do, we are going to ask you guys to stop right now, subscribe, and put on your post notification bells so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And her information will be in the description bar down below if you're interested in Quamisha B. But let's just jump right into the video. All right, y'all, so we about to get this video started. I'm gonna let my sister tell you guys what Wine Down With Us is about, what we're gonna be doing in the video. So go ahead and let them know.
So basically what Wine Down With Us is, we're just going to try out different wines and give you all our opinion on each wine and what do we think about it. Like, how does it taste? I mean, is it sweet or what? You know, just give y'all a little info on what it is and how it tastes. That's pretty much what it is.
Anyway, so we have about about 6 bottles of wine. They are pretty much on the reasonable side when it comes to price. Every wine that we are mentioning in today's video, I'm going to leave a link for each wine in the description bar down below. So if you guys are interested in the wine, y'all can click the link in the description bar, check it out. But like I said, each wine is very reasonable,
very affordable,
not too pricey. So we have our wine glasses. I don't even know if this is considered a wine glass, but whatever. We got our glass, and
okay, so one of the wines we picked up is called Carlo Rossi Pink Moscato Sangria.
This is how it looks. It's actually kind of cute. I like the color. Just by looking at it, it looked like it's a little bit on the sweet and tart side.
It's just enough to taste, not a lot.
Cheers first. Smell test. Smells kind of sweet.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but it smells good.
It does smell really good. All right, let's taste.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
I thought it was going to be a little nasty.
It's a little bit on the tart side.
I don't get the tart.
I don't get the sweet.
I don't taste the tart. It's like in between.
Yeah, it's
like an in between tart and sweet, if that makes sense.
True. I'll drink it. Not bad. So
I would definitely buy it again. What about you?
I would buy it again. Out of 5 stars, what would you give it?
3.
I would give it a 3 as well.
Yeah, a 3.
But it wasn't bad at all. I'm not sure too familiar with this brand, but it's pretty decent. The prices on this the price range of this wine is normally like under $6. So that's very, very, very reasonable. So if you guys are interested in some reasonable price wine, I would check out this brand. Like I said, I'll leave a link for it in the description bar down below. But so far, so good. I would give it a 3 out of 5 stars. Let's go. All right, guys. So the next bottle of wine is another one of her choice. And what is it?
It's called Intrinsic. If I'm not mistaken, I might be wrong.
INTRI. Yeah, that's probably how I would pronounce it. But it looks, I like the packaging, I guess. It's very dark, I would say. I'm loving the red. The design, whoever designed the bottle is really nice. It looks like it's a dress on some lady. I'm not sure, but looks a little bit demonic, but it looked like it could taste good. How much alcohol is in there?
It's 14.5%.
14.5%.
That's a lot.
That's a lot in a bottle. How much was it? Do you know?
Well, this actually was given to me as a gift, probably back here around Christmas. And it came in a gift set and it had 2 glasses that actually matched this design on it.
Oh,
and
really?
I forgot the glasses.
Oh,
I should have
wow.
bought them.
She's
Sorry.
stuck. And I'm over here using my dollar store glasses. Anyway, we are going to sip this wine and give you all our opinion. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and grab that. Cheers. Smell test first. Ooh,
It smells strong and
it smells strong and like it's gonna be nasty.
Right, I was gonna say that.
Oh
but
my
I
god, like the smell. Oh, it smelled demonic. No, just wait.
I didn't want to say that.
It smelled like it's gonna be nasty.
It smells like it's disgusting.
She set me up for failure, y'all. This mess stink.
Because everything can't be sweet.
Y'all, it stink.
Everything cannot be
Ooh, it stink. I don't like it. I don't want to taste it.
Please don't do that.
Ooh.
You signed up for this.
Oh, no, let her taste it first.
Come on.
Let her taste it first.
On the count of 3.
No. It stink. Okay. Count of 3.
Stop.
No, it stink.
See, she's so used to all that sweet. She don't know what real wine is at times, okay?
How much was this bottle of wine? You don't know?
I don't know.
Oh, it stink. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I don't like it.
Really?
It's not. Y'all! I gotta go pour that out. Intermission. Nasty. Okay, y'all. Brief intermission. I had to go pour that out. But what you think about it?
Okay. To be honest, it's not sweet. It's nothing that we're really used to.
True.
Because most of the time I like sweet wine.
True.
But I have had wine that's not sweet. It's like a dry, I don't know how you can really describe
burnt, dry,
Why do you have to say
nasty
burnt?
taste.
Okay,
It
so
tastes
it's
burnt and dry.
It's dry and it's not sweet at all. So if that makes sense.
It ain't
Like,
tart either. It's disgusting.
Yeah,
That's
it's kind
what
of
it is.
the tart.
I don't know what company that is,
it's
but
not
branded
tart.
it's disgusting. Yep, honestly.
Well,
so how
I
many
didn't-
stars would you give it?
None.
Yeah, 0 stars.
It's nothing that I like now. Somebody else may like it, but
0 star. Can I see that bottle again? I want to see if it say anything on the back. That hit like anything. What you looking for? If you read the back of it, y'all is nasty. That's all I'm saying. Let me see it again. Show them so they can just tell them we don't buy this. We do not recommend this.
Nasty.
We do not recommend this. It's nasty. Anyway, we are going to go on to our third wine. What is our third wine going to be, Misha?
it's gonna be St. James Winery, Velvet Red, Sweet Red Wine.
All right, I'm digging the lime green. Velvet, when I think of velvet, I think of smooth. So smooth and sweet as a combination. I'm excited to try it. Let's taste it. How much alcohol?
10.5% of alcohol.
And it's a smaller bottle, so that could be why. So that's still kind of
And it wasn't expensive at all. I just wanted to taste it because I heard something about St. James was pretty good for it to be cheap. So I wanted to try it out, and this was the one I picked up
I never
because
heard
I
of
like
it.
sweet wine. So I picked the sweet red wine.
I never heard
They
of
had
it.
like 2 or 3 other flavors at the store.
But that velvet and the sweet, I like the name velvet. So
I know it sounds exotic.
It
right?
don't it velvet. I like that name velvet. Anyway, let's taste. Let's taste. No, we didn't. Let me smell first.
I'm a little worried.
Me too. I'm worried, y'all. Anyway. All right, so what you think about that one?
It tastes like communion.
Took the words right out of my mouth.
Like,
It
you know when
tastes
they give you
like
communion at church.
Thank you.
That's what that was.
Hallelujah. No, stop playing.
So for the saints out there, the Christians,
Hallelujah.
this wine is
Y'all can
perfect for
handle
y'all.
it. Y'all can handle it. But I will say it's very smooth. So I can see why they say velvet, because it's very smooth. It has it doesn't even taste sweet to me. It doesn't say that.
It tastes like
Sweet
grape
red wine, but it
juice,
says
like-
velvet red. It does. Like, it doesn't have any. It say how much alcohol is in it.
10.5.
10.5.
That's a lie.
They need to drop the 10 and just put the 0.5 on there because that's exactly how it tastes. No 10.5, just 5% alcohol. 0.5.
Maybe not even a 5.
Exactly.
It's for the church folks.
Yeah. Hallelujah. Say hallelujah. Amen.
That's what they give you. That's what they serve you at communion.
Anyway, so out of 5 stars, what would you give it?
I think a 2.
I agree. 2 stars out of 5 because it was not. Nah.
I mean, it's not a nasty taste. It doesn't taste like your regular wine. That's what I mean when I say that I give it a 2 for rate.
Yeah, it's not a regular wine. It almost tastes like it shouldn't be wine at all.
Like grape juice.
Yeah.
Communion again.
Communion. Yeah. Anyway, we are going to go on to our 4th wine. We are almost at the end of this video, guys. So anyway, what's the next one gonna be?
Roscato.
It says what on the front of there? Sweet red. So another sweet red wine. But if I'm not mistaken, I seen them serving samples or serving this at Olive Garden.
Yeah, it is served at Olive Garden. And it has 7% of alcohol.
7%. That's a little low. But
Not
if I'm
too
not
bad.
mistaken, I think I might have tried this. I'm not sure. So I'm going to try it again and tell y'all how I feel about it. But, you know. Just a tad. Starting to feel this wine, y'all.
She playing.
I'm serious. My stomach's starting to burn. I don't know if we supposed to be mixing all these different wines on the empty stomach, but you know, cheers.
What does it smell like? I don't know.
Let's taste. Ooh. Smooth, very smooth. This is the type of wine you can drink with any meal.
Yeah, you
I
can drink
feel
this
like
on a daily.
Daily with any meal, literally.
It's real good.
It's really good.
It's good. Like this tastes like real wine, not that other stuff that we had.
How much is this? Do you know?
I believe it's up there with the Stella Rosa price, like $13 or something like that.
And we all know about Stella Rosa. And y'all know we weren't going to include it in this video because everybody know about Stella Rosa.
Except the watermelon. I haven't tried the watermelon yet. I would like to
I
try
didn't know
that.
they had watermelon. I used to love watermelon as a little girl, but I stopped liking it. It used to make me pee in the bed. I used to pee in the bed, y'all.
You really just say that?
Yes, I used to pee in the bed. Watermelon is nothing but water, y'all. I don't like it. To this day, I just don't like watermelon. I won't eat it. I won't even bath. But anyway, Roscata was amazing. I think I like that best so far.
What was your
Out of
rating?
the 4 that we tried, I think I like that best.
That's my
So
favorite.
out of 5 stars.
4.5.
I would say that too because 5 stars mean it's like the best I ever had. I don't know if that's the best I ever had because I've
But
tried.
it's up there. It's up there.
It is up
really
there.
good.
It is up there. So I would really, really, really recommend that.
And it's only 7% of alcohol, guys.
Yes.
7%.
You can have you a couple of glasses and be okay. Literally.
I'm gonna drink
For real.
everything.
Anyway, we are going to go on to our 4th wine. And the 4th wine is the 5th. Oh yeah, it is 5, y'all. This wine making me lose my train of thought. Anyway, so this right here is going to be the 5th wine. This is the Raspberry Sangria by Carlo Rossi, because I keep wanting to say Rusa or something. I don't know. I keep having to say Rossi because I keep forgetting. But anyway,
I
raspberry.
may be pronouncing it wrong, but hey.
She sounded like she sounding it out right more than I am. But it is say serve chill. This one has 7.5% of alcohol in it. This looks like one of those cheap wines when you just want some wine and you just want to feel like you drinking, or you feel like, oh, I just turned 21 and I can drink.
I'm just cheap and I ain't got no money.
And I still want a little liquor.
Let's see how it tastes.
We finna see how it tastes, all right, y'all?
She picked this out.
I did. It was for the Lolo. I ain't even gonna lie. Anyway, cheers. Smell. I can smell a raspberry. Can you smell it?
I can smell the raspberry.
You can smell a raspberry.
Let's taste it.
Let's taste.
What you think?
It tastes cheap. It tastes real cheap, y'all. Ooh, it tastes cheap. They lied about the percent of alcohol that's in it. What they say, 7.5?
All I can taste really is the raspberry.
Right. And I feel like I'm smelling it more than I'm tasting it. I don't know. I ain't feeling it. What's your star?
Yeah. A 1.
A 1? I get a 1. I give it 1.5. 1.5.
No, I don't even need that 0.5. Take that 0.5 off. Be honest.
Anyway, our last and final wine. We are at the end of this video.
Woo-hoo!
We made it. And we are not drunk. Okay? No. Anyway, another one to call
Rossi. I don't know, people.
But it is the pineapple sangria. I've never heard of sangria that was pineapple. Just saying. Same thing, 7.5% of alcohol. This probably gonna taste as worse as that one, but we gonna.
You don't know yet.
We gonna taste it anyway.
Now I like pineapples, but I don't know about a pineapple drink.
I don't know if I ever had a pineapple wine. Have you?
No, but I like to eat pineapple.
They're trying to infuse too much stuff together.
She's making a mess.
I'm making a big mess. Okay, hold on. Let me put that down. All right, cheers.
I don't really smell anything.
Good.
I thought it was just me.
Okay. Taste.
Tastes cheap. Really, really cheap with no pineapple.
I don't taste pineapple.
I don't like it.
I don't taste pineapple. I want my money back. False advertisement, y'all.
Hey, y'all. Out of all those Rossi, please don't matter.
Don't look.
The Moscato, Moscato sangria tastes pretty good.
Out of these three,
disgusting.
This one do taste the best, but and I don't think it has nothing to do with me freezing it. It could, but it do say serve chill, but
they're disgusting. This one tastes pretty good.
But our number one choice, ding 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 ding,
Moscato.
Go cop it, y'all. All the wines that we have mentioned in today's video will be in the description bar down below, so check it out. Check it out. Anyway, we might be feeling ourselves a little tipsy, just a little bit. I don't think we were supposed to be mixing all these wines, and we was giving over a little taste and all of the glasses. But anyway, how you feel about it? Was that your number one choice? Number one?
Out of all the wines that we tasted, that would be my number one.
What was the worst?
That insurance.
Let them see that again, because we want y'all not to buy this.
Disgusting, people.
Let them see. That's probably why her tail saved this from Christmas, because she knew it was nasty.
It was a gift.
This mess is disgusting. Look at that. How much did you drink out of that? Look where it's at. Y'all, they tried to make the... I'm telling y'all, you gotta go with your gut feeling. And my intuition told me that this was going to be nasty, because it just looked demonic.
Gut feeling. Don't know what
it was really... We don't know the lyrics. Anyway, no bad this one. All right, y'all. Anyway, that will conclude our video for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, y'all. Like I said before, you all have to hit the like button if you all are enjoying my videos, so the YouTube algorithm would know, hey, y'all loving to see my content, and they will put me more in y'all feed. Okay, y'all? So hit the like button. Please share, please comment, please subscribe. Put on your post notification bells. And anything you want to say?
Be looking out for another video pretty soon. I may be in that next one. I may not. Who knows?
Another collaboration, y'all.
Maybe. She's trying to get me out there.
Yeah, I'm trying to get out of her comfort zone. Anyway, if y'all liked her being in the video, hit the like button just because y'all liked her in the video. But anyway, her information will be either on the screen or in the description bar down below. Leave a comment, y'all, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.